Okay, we've cut some of this out in here. We're going to work on this part in here for now. And you want to keep your eyelids low to start out with, because you can always move them up if you need to, but you can't come down. So you want to start low, and then if you need to, you can go up on them. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. I'm going to use this cutter here to take some of this out in here. See how that takes this out in here. So we're going to take this down some more, and then we'll work on the nose part. So we can see how it's coming down in there. So we're going to take this down some more and work on the nose. Thanks for watching.